If you're considering Device42 for your help desk needs, there are 12 important things you need to know before making a purchase. We'll compare it to some of its competitors and help you decide if it's the right choice for your business. First off, Device42 is a robust IT asset management tool that also offers help desk capabilities. While it does a great job at tracking hardware, software, and network configurations, you'll find that some competitors like Freshdesk or ServiceNow might offer a more straightforward, intuitive user interface for service management, making them easier to adopt for your team. Next thing to consider is the integration capabilities. Device42 excels in integrating with other IT management solutions, especially for larger organizations with complex networks. However, its integration with non-IT systems isn't as seamless as competitors like Zendesk, which offers more versatile and widespread integrations. The third thing you should know is about the scalability of Device42. If you're running a small business, this platform might feel a bit overkill. It's designed for enterprises, which means the pricing structure and feature set may be overwhelming for smaller teams when compared to more agile solutions like Freshservice. Next up, let's talk about the customer support. Device42 has a reputation for offering solid support, but it may not be as readily available or as fast as competitors like Zendesk, which provide 24/7 live chat and support. With Device42, support is often available through ticketing and email, which could lead to slower response times. The fifth thing is its customization options. Device42 is highly customizable and offers extensive reporting capabilities. However, this can be a double-edged sword, as it requires a steep learning curve. If you're looking for something simpler to customize, options like Zoho Desk could be a better choice. Another thing to keep in mind is the pricing. Device42 is on the pricier side, especially if you're only using it for help desk functionality. When compared to the likes of Freshdesk or HubSpot Service Hub, Device42 might not deliver the best value for smaller teams that don't need all of its advanced features. Now let's talk about its ticketing system. While Device42 has a strong ticketing framework, it may feel a bit rigid compared to competitors like Jira Service Management. Jira's ticketing workflow is incredibly flexible, which can be a big plus if your needs change over time. The eighth thing you need to know is about asset tracking. One of the strengths of Device42 is its asset management features. If you're already invested in managing physical assets and network devices, this tool could be perfect for you. However, competitors like Freshservice offer more intuitive asset tracking built right into their ticketing system, which can be more convenient for those who don't need advanced IT asset management. The ninth thing is its mobile support. Device42 offers mobile access, but the mobile app experience could use some improvement. If you need seamless mobile support, you might want to check out ServiceNow or Freshdesk, which offer more robust mobile interfaces for field technicians. Next, let's talk about automation. Device42 does offer automation tools, but they're not as advanced as some of its competitors, like ServiceNow, which excels at automating workflows across departments. If you need a high level of automation, you may want to explore these alternatives. The 11th thing is its learning curve. Device42, while powerful, has a steep learning curve. This is something to consider if you're a small team with limited IT staff. Alternatives like Zendesk and Freshdesk offer a more user-friendly experience, allowing your team to jump right in with minimal training. Lastly, Device42 does offer a good set of reporting tools, but they can be complex to navigate. If you're looking for an easier reporting system, competitors like Zoho Desk offer more intuitive and user-friendly dashboards. In conclusion, Device42 is a solid option for large enterprises needing comprehensive IT asset management and help desk features. However, if you're a small to medium-sized business looking for a more straightforward, cost-effective solution, we recommend checking out our preferred alternative. You can even try it for free to see if it fits your needs.